Welcome to this lesson on homeostasis. Homeostasis is one of the most important concepts in human biology. It refers to the body's remarkable ability to keep its internal environment stable and balanced, no matter what's happening outside. Think of it as your body's internal thermostat and control system working together to keep everything running smoothly. So what exactly is homeostasis? Simply put, it's the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. Whether you're outside in freezing cold weather or sitting in a hot room, your body works constantly to keep your internal conditions just right. This automatic regulation happens without you even thinking about it, involving multiple organ systems working together in harmony. Your body regulates several critical variables to keep you healthy. First, body temperature is maintained at around 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, blood pH is kept within a narrow range of 7.35 to 7.45. Third, blood glucose levels are controlled between 70 and 100 milligrams per deciliter. Finally, water balance and electrolytes are constantly monitored and adjusted to maintain proper fluid levels throughout your body. Most homeostatic mechanisms rely on something called negative feedback loops. This is nature's way of reversing changes and restoring balance. Here's how it works. First, there's a stimulus or change detected in your body. Then, your body produces a response to counteract that change. Finally, this response leads to a correction that brings conditions back to normal. It's like a thermostat turning off the heat when a room gets too warm. Let's look at how your body regulates temperature. When you're too hot, your body responds in three main ways. It increases sweating to cool you down through evaporation. Blood vessels near your skin dilate in a process called vasodilation, releasing heat. Your metabolism also decreases to produce less internal heat. On the flip side, when you're too cold, you start shivering to generate heat through muscle activity. Blood vessels constrict in a process called vasoconstriction to conserve heat. And your metabolism increases to produce more warmth. Blood pH regulation is critically important because even slight changes can be dangerous to your cells. The normal range is 7.35 to 7.45, which is slightly alkaline. Your body uses two main systems to control pH. The respiratory system removes carbon dioxide through breathing, which affects blood acidity. Your kidneys filter out excess acids and bases from your blood, providing longer-term pH control. These two systems work together continuously to keep your blood chemistry stable. Blood glucose, or blood sugar, must be carefully controlled to provide steady energy to your cells. When blood sugar rises too high, such as after eating a meal, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin promotes glucose uptake by cells, lowering blood sugar levels. Conversely, when blood sugar drops too low, your pancreas releases another hormone called glucagon. Glucagon triggers the release of stored glucose from your liver, raising blood sugar back to normal levels. This balance between insulin and glucagon keeps your energy supply constant. Your body's water balance is primarily controlled by your kidneys, which regulate how much water you retain and how much you excrete as urine. When you become dehydrated, your body releases a hormone called ADH, which stands for antidiuretic hormone. This hormone signals your kidneys to retain more water and produce less urine. When you're properly hydrated, ADH levels drop and your kidneys release more water. This system ensures your cells always have the right amount of fluid to function properly. Two major control centers coordinate all these homeostatic responses. First is the hypothalamus, a small but powerful region in your brain. It acts as the master regulator for temperature control, thirst, and hunger signals. Second is your endocrine system, which consists of various glands throughout your body. This system releases hormones that travel through your bloodstream to coordinate responses in different organs and tissues. Together, these control centers monitor conditions and trigger appropriate responses automatically. Understanding why homeostasis matters helps us appreciate how amazing our bodies really are. Homeostasis ensures optimal enzyme function because enzymes only work efficiently within specific temperature and pH ranges. It maintains proper cellular processes, allowing your cells to produce energy and carry out their functions effectively. It protects against organ damage by preventing harmful extremes in body conditions. Most importantly, homeostasis is essential for your survival and overall health. Without it, even small changes in your environment could be life-threatening. Your body's ability to self-regulate is truly one of nature's most remarkable achievements.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.